By the year 2030, Goldman Sachs estimates that artificial intelligence will eliminate 300 million jobs worldwide. McKinsey predicts that 30% of all work hours in the United States will be automated. The World Economic Forum says 85 million jobs will disappear in the next few years. But here is what nobody is telling you. It is not some futuristic robot coming for your job. It is 7 specific AI tools that already exist right now. They are already being used by companies. They are already replacing real workers. And most people have no idea they exist. These are the 7 AI tools that will replace 90% of jobs by 2030. Number 1. ChatGPT and AI writing assistants. The impact is far bigger than most people realize. ChatGPT writes legal contracts, marketing campaigns, business reports, and social media content. Product descriptions, research summaries, customer support scripts, blog posts, ad copy, and press releases. All in seconds. Companies are using Chat to replace entire content teams. BuzzFeed cut writing staff, using AI for articles. Marketing agencies reduce copywriting teams by 50 to 70%. Law firms draft contracts with AI. Jobs at risk: content writers, copywriters, email marketers, social media managers, paralegals, executive assistants, customer support agents, technical writers, report analysts. Any job primarily writing text is threatened. By 2030, 80% of writing-based jobs will be eliminated or fundamentally transformed. Number 2. Midjourney, DALL-E, and AI image generators. 2 years ago, companies hired designers or photographers. Now, type a sentence, get a professional image. Midjourney creates photorealistic images, logos, brand designs, product mock-ups, and advertising visuals, all without a single human designer. Stock photography companies are already collapsing. Shutterstock's revenue declined. Freelance designers report 40 to 60% drops in orders. Jobs at risk: graphic designers, photographers, illustrators, brand designers, and stock photographers. The creative industry is being hit harder and faster than anyone predicted. Number 3. ElevenLabs and AI voice cloning tools. ElevenLabs can clone any human voice in less than 30 seconds of sample audio. It can then generate unlimited speech in that voice in any language. The voice sounds indistinguishable from a real human. This technology is already replacing voice actors, podcast editors, audiobook narrators, and call center agents. Companies are using AI voices for customer service phone lines, video narration, e-learning courses, and advertising. A single AI voice tool can now do the work of an entire call center. One major telecom company reportedly replaced 700 customer service agents with an AI voice system. The cost savings were over $40 million per year. By 2030, most voice-based jobs that involve reading scripts, answering phones, or narrating content will be handled entirely by AI. Number 4. Devin AI and AI coding assistants. In March 2024, Cognition Labs introduced Devin, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Devin can understand a project requirement, plan the architecture, write the code, debug errors, test the application, and deploy it, all by itself. No human coder required. GitHub Copilot, built on OpenAI technology, is already writing 46% of all code on the GitHub platform. Nearly half of all new code being written in the world right now has AI involvement. Companies are discovering that one developer with AI coding tools can now do the work of 5 developers without them. Junior programming jobs, basic web development, simple app building, bug fixing, and routine coding tasks are being automated. This does not mean all programmers will lose their jobs, but it means companies will need far fewer of them. A team of 20 developers might become a team of 4 developers plus AI. Number 5. Runway, Sora, and AI video generation tools. Runway ML can generate professional quality video from a text prompt. OpenAI's Sora can generate photorealistic video scenes that would have required an entire film production crew just 2 years ago. This technology is targeting video editors, motion graphics designers, stock video companies, and corporate video production teams. Companies that used to spend $50,000 on a product video can now generate something comparable for almost nothing. The video production industry is a $45 billion market. AI video tools are about to take a massive chunk of that market. Number 6. Harvey AI and legal artificial intelligence. Harvey AI is specifically designed for the legal profession. It can review thousands of legal documents in minutes. It can draft contracts, analyze case law, prepare legal briefs, identify risks in agreements, and perform due diligence. Major law firms including Allen & Overy, one of the most prestigious law firms in the world, are already using Harvey AI. The tool can do in minutes what a team of junior lawyers would take days to accomplish. Deloitte estimated that 100,000 legal jobs in the UK alone could be automated by AI. Paralegals, junior lawyers, legal researchers, contract reviewers, compliance analysts, and document review specialists are all directly in the firing line. Number 7. AI agents. And this is the big one. This is the tool that will replace more jobs than all the others combined. AI agents are not just chatbots. They are autonomous AI systems that can perform complete workflows without human involvement. They can receive a task, break it into steps, use multiple tools, make decisions, handle errors, and deliver a finished result. Companies like Salesforce with Agentforce, Microsoft with Copilot agents, and dozens of startups are building AI agents. An AI agent can manage your calendar, respond to emails, research competitors, prepare presentations, and order supplies. Schedule meetings, follow up with clients, and generate reports. All automatically. All without a human assistant. This is not theoretical. Klarna, the payment company, announced that their AI agent does the work of 700 full-time customer service employees. It handles 2/3 of all customer conversations. Resolution time dropped from 11 minutes to 2 minutes. AI agents are coming for administrative assistants, project coordinators, operations managers, customer service teams, and data entry clerks, scheduling managers, and middle management. Any job that involves coordinating tasks, managing workflows, or handling routine decisions is at risk. Now here's the part most people get wrong. These AI tools will not eliminate every single job, but they will fundamentally change what jobs look like. The pattern is clear. I will not replace all writers, but one writer with AI will replace 5 writers without it. I will not replace all designers, but one designer with AI will replace an entire design team. I will not replace all programmers, but one programmer with AI will produce the output of an entire development squad. The real threat is not AI replacing you. The real threat is a person who knows how to use AI replacing you. By 2030, every job listing will require AI skills. Every interview will ask about AI tools. Every company will expect employees to work alongside artificial intelligence. The people who learn these tools now will have an unfair advantage for the rest of their careers. The people who ignore them will be competing for a shrinking pool of jobs that AI has not yet automated. The question is not whether AI will change your job. The question is whether you will be ready when it does. Which of these 7 tools scares you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I am Shadow Tech, and I will see you in the next one.